What's going on, everybody? It's Sean here, and I'm here today to give you guys a look at my Nike by You Kyrie 6 set inspired by the Yeezy 2 collection. Today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold and Black. So they're an Australian-based jewelry and accessory company, and they produce a wide range of styles that pretty much fits anyone's taste. In fact, today I'm rocking the red tiger eye bracelet, which is available on their website right now through that link down below. In fact, right now, Rose Gold and Black is having a huge sale which gives viewers 20% off the entire store plus free worldwide shipping using that special link down below. In addition, if you guys use the code HOLIDAY19 at checkout, you'll get an additional 10% off as well. So be sure to act fast. A lot of the product is selling out, and for you ladies out there watching right now, they also have a solid selection of women's merch too. So jumping back to the focus of today's video, we have my Kyrie 6s inspired by the Nike Yeezy 2. So all three pairs were created through the Nike by You platform, which is formerly known as Nike ID. These guys retailed for $160 US or $200 here in Canada. And from the date I actually submitted the order online to when I actually physically got the shoes in hand, it took about just over 4 weeks. So when images first leaked of the Nike Kyrie 6, it was pretty undeniable that the shoe really resembled the Nike Yeezy 2. It basically seemed like a modernized version of the Yeezy 2, adapted for and appropriate for basketball use today. So it really wasn't a big surprise to me that Nike provided similar color options to the Pure Platinums, the Red Octobers, and the Solar Reds. So kicking things off with a pair inspired by the black Solar Red colorway. So for these Kyrie 6s, I opted for the entire upper of the shoe being black. So this means the toe box area, the midfoot strap, the tongue, and the laces, all of this was done in black. On the quarter panel, here I opted for a pebbled black leather, which actually was very high quality and it felt very luxurious to the touch. On the back heel, this is also done in a solid black as well. For the inner collar, I chose the bright crimson color, which isn't identical to the Solar Red that the actual Yeezy 2 uses, but it's pretty close. Rounding things out, I opted for a black solid midsole and a glow-in-the-dark outsole. Next up, for the Pure Platinum inspired colorway, for the toe box, I opted for the wolf gray color, followed by white on the laces, the tongue, and the midfoot strap. For the quarter panel, I chose to use the pebbled white leather, which again was very soft and very plush, and overlaid on top, we have a white Nike swoosh. On the back heel, I also opted for a solid white color as well. For the inner liner, I opted for this university red color, which now looking back, I sort of regret not choosing the bright crimson. I think the bright crimson represents the true Yeezy 2 color a bit more, but overall, the university red isn't too bad. I just think that the bright crimson would have gave it more of a true Yeezy look. Finishing off this pair, we also have a solid white midsole and again that glow-in-the-dark outsole. Last but not least, here we have the Red October inspired pair. So this one, basically the entire shoe was done in university red. So that includes the toe box, the laces, the midfoot strap, and the tongue. For this pair, for some reason, I chose to use the rippled leather instead. So I don't know how I feel about this. A part of me kind of likes the look of this, but comparing this to the pebbled leather, this rippled leather felt much more plasticky and it didn't have that nice plush feeling that the other two pairs had. Finishing this all off, we also have a red inner liner, a university red heel, university red on the midsole and outsole. So that was the color breakdown of how I created these three pairs. In terms of how they fit, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I would definitely recommend going at least a half size up for the Kyrie 6. This is a very snug model overall, so for me I opted for 10.5 for all three pairs, and they still fit me pretty snug, but in a good way. From a comfort standpoint, so these feel identical to the retail pairs of the Kyrie 6. So they have that Zoom Turbo on the forefoot, which gives you adequate bounce back and responsiveness, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be wearing these on the court or not. I might stick with just casual wear for these pairs and rock the retail pairs on the actual court. So with all that being said, let's lace up the Pure Platinums, the Solar Reds, and the Red Octobers and show you guys how these look on feet. For most people, the Nike Yeezy 2s are sneakers that are pretty much unattainable. Because of the insane resale prices, it really doesn't make a lot of financial sense to actually buy those pairs. So luckily, the Kyrie 6 shares a strong resemblance to the Yeezy 2, and as an added bonus, it's actually a very good basketball shoe as well. So if you want to flex on the court, by all means, make these on Nike by You. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about the Pure Platinums, the Solar Red, and the Red October Kyrie 6s. Which of these three are you guys feeling the most? And is this something that you would rock casually, rock on the court, or you personally wouldn't mess with any of these three at all? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. Before I end this video, a final shout out goes out to the sponsor for today's video, Rose Gold and Black. So be sure to check them out, show them some love through that link down below. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.